Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new CF19. This is a new watch in our channel and we just purchased it. In today's video we'll show you how this watch will work and we will run some tests, see what option do we have to use it. And in the next video we'll show you how to connect it with Android and iOS so you know everything about this watch. If you're interested to see all of these videos, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned in our channel. The box itself for the CF19 is very simple and very small. Also, as you can see, all black. It says Smartwatch, not too many figures or anything. Underneath the cap you will see immediately the watch itself with this pair of band that is really good made. Leather bands is one of my favorites. You can see the watch itself is built very good material, not plastic. I think it's zinc alloy or some type of kind of metal. Underneath it we will find this very large charger, one screen saver. You can see very large charge. I'm not sure why today smartwatches are choosing to make large chargers. In the user manual, as you can see, we have plenty of languages so we can understand what we are doing. To put the bands on is very simple. We have one clip in each end of the band and you just clip it in the watch itself and it goes into place. Let's peel off the protection layer in the watch and power it on, see what we will see. So now the watch is on, very good colors and brightness. In the top we have the taskbar, press and hold to change the faces. You can see we have a different type of faces that we can change. In the taskbar we have the date, percentage of battery, find phone, brightness, info, and the settings. The brightness now is all the way up. As you can see, it's very bright as well. In the left we have music. In the right we have distance, kilometer, and burn calories that we did, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and we have the sports, weather, messages, stopwatch, find phone, settings. In the settings we have reset, information, bright, on and off for the watch, also back at the music control. So these are all the options that we have in the CF19. Basically a very simple watch. So let's begin with some tests, starting from the heart rate. As you can see immediately we have some result for the heart rate down below. We should wait until the end and see if we get any final result. Some of these watches, as you can see, just shut down. It doesn't give you a final result. These are live results. And blood pressure as well, we have here the result, but it shut down when it ended. And we have the third option, the blood oxygen. We have the percentage, and at the sports we have outdoor running, cycling, skipping, badminton, table tennis, mountaineering, walking, basketball, football, baseball, volleyball, cricket, rugby, hockey, dancing, yoga, sit-ups, gymnastic, boating, jumping jack, etc. So as you can see we have a handful of options for sport, which I prefer personally. We have 3-second countdown, and as you can see the seconds will begin. We have kilometers, steps, blood pressure, and burn calories. These are only the only options that we will have in this watch. And in the left we can end the session. So that is it, what we have. So guys, this was all that we have for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.